Okay, everybody, welcome back. Tonight's project is going to be brightening up this really dark space where I like to work is right here under the garage door. As you can see, I have not a lot of great light. I bought these lights a while back off of Amazon, just some LED strips you can link together, and we're going to try to rig them up. As you can see, I've been toying with a little string idea. We'll see how well this works. Just gonna be hanging them from these strings. That way they're out of the way of the garage door, but they still light up the space here where I work on the bike. I'm gonna time lapse a lot of this because I'm gonna be figuring it out as I go. I'll try to stop and give you updates. Thanks for riding along. Here we go. Okay, so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. I just ran a string, and now I'm zip tying the ballast to the string. Not ideal, I know, but hey, it's a quick temporary way to get some lights in here. I'm not planning on being in this garage forever, so you can see that we have some pretty significant gapping. So we have these connectors that go from light to light, but we also have these butt-end connectors that will connect them, you know, end to end. Can't really do it with one hand, it's difficult, but you get the idea. They touch each other so they can be just one light bar. Obviously, I have a little bit too much a gap on some ends and some are sticking out farther than others. So what I'm probably gonna have to do is, instead of going two on the sides, caddy corner them from one side of the string to the other. So it's like kind of across, if that makes sense. So it kind of shortens the gap between this one and that one by having that one just kind of cut this corner here. And then once I kind of get them all where I gotta go, I gotta figure out if I can get it to where that doesn't hit anything and it clears the garage. But I've kind of just rigged it up here with some tape and can let out more string to loosen it to space it all out. So that's where I'm at now. Let's see if my thought process works on the corner cutting. Wish me luck. Now, if this isn't the most ghetto halo, it's gonna look sweet though from below, and I'll finally be able to see over here. It's gonna be interesting. All 6 lights just being right here in this circle. I mean, I might not keep it this way. I might just test it out, see how it looks, and then go from there. Might adjust it. I want to have them all on one switch. That's my issue here. I want to have all the lights connected to each other. I want to have it on one switch that I can flip on. And they make extensions for the connection guys that go in between here, but at the same time, it's more money and more time. And I've got a secret over there that I'm excited to start on and show you guys. So I'm trying to get better lighting because I'm probably going to be doing a lot of this stuff at nighttime, and it'll be better than having to move the camera and move lights and yada yada yada. So let's take a look at what we got. We've caddy cornered these. I kind of just, instead of cutting off a zip tie, I slid that one down and just added another one on that string, just in case I went back or we needed it. But yeah, you know, I'm gonna go in and put all these wire connectors in and just go ahead and connect them up and see where we're at. And then also adjust the string so that they're semi-level, or at least just not catching on. I think we're good. I mean, if it comes back, it's gonna stop here. That's not gonna hit that. It's this thing coming down here and clip this guy. So I can pull the release and just lower it down my hand to check. So let's get it all connected first. Actually, you know what? I can just check it right now. Try to do this with one hand. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're way clear.
Yes, 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 yes.
I mean, that's gonna hang, but who cares really? Let's see if I can get an accurate shot of. Oh yeah. I can go up. I can even go up higher if I wanted to. Yeah. I can go up another 6 inches if I wanted to. It's a little aggressive. So yeah, cool. I can go up 6 more inches. Probably, I guess, to that thing, really. I'll measure it out. But cool, excited about this. Let's plug it up and see how it looks. So stupid. Okay, this is dope. This was a stupid idea that kind of turned out okay. Look how freaking bright it is. And that's with those on. I'm going to do some before and after shots with the lights on and off, as you will probably see in the thumbnail. But yeah, really glad I tackled this tonight because I'm really excited. Like I said, I got a little project right behind the camera. Just some little fun things I'm going to be doing here soon. So super excited to get this done. So it'll make that a lot easier. Cheap, quick, easy. I like it. I don't know how these strings are going to hold up around this garage door metal, but we'll see. I'll just have to keep an eye on them, maybe put some super glue on them, straighten them a little bit. But yeah, this is it. See you guys in the next videos where we'll be doing some more things, doing other things, doing things. Just excited to be able to see in my garage and see in my toolbox. Yes, it's unorganized. I have a lot of things to go through and clean. But at least I can see when I'm going through the drawers now and not have to use a flashlight. Super pumped, super stoked. See you guys soon. Later.